Sa mundo ng pampalakasang nakataya at nasa hukay ang isang paa sa pakikipagbalugbugan at pakikipaglaban, hindi isinasaalang-alang ang pisikal na kaanyuan ng kahit na sino mang Poncio Pilatong tirador ng galunggong na mandirigma. Dahil kung minsan, kung sino pa ang maamo ang muka, ay siya palang halimaw na mananabas pagtungtong sa ibabaw ng parisukat na lona. Kagaya na lamang ng tinaguriang The Scorpio ng Pilipinas na si Joseph Emmanuel Ambo, na sa unang tingin ay parang walang ka-special na tambay lang sa bilyaran. Pero saan ka ay may mala isang kahon ng 4 kantos lang naman na tigas at bigat ng suntok kapag tumama. Kasabay ng pagtilaok ng manok at mahalimuyak na sariwang hanging habagat, nakasabay ang langit-ngit ng lundong folding bed sa kapitbahay. Tumungo ang tubong Cagayan de Oro City si Joseph Ambo sa Amerika upang sagupain ang Noy undefeated American rising star na si Darren alias The Gift Cunningham. Mataas ang bilib sa sarili ng boksingerong ito, mga kaibigan. Palibasa nga undefeated na sa sobrang taas ay kinalimutan na niyang mandirigmang Pinoy na tirador ng bahaw na tutong at kamoting lamig ang kanyang babanggain, at tila hindi binibigyang importansya ang kanilang magiging sagupaan dahil sa pag-aakalang mahina at pataba lamang ang Pinoy sa kanyang malinis na kartada. Ikaw ba naman turuan ng undefeated at greatest of all time daw kuno na si Floyd Mayweather Jr. at ng kanyang tatay alias Bob Marley? Talaga namang sanib puwersa pa ng utak na kumbaga sa pansit canton, may itlog at monay ka na, may pahatdog ka pa. Kaya lalong tumaas ang kumpiyansa ng Amerikanong ito at parang lumaki ang ulo na parang nahawahan ng asta at angas ni Mayweather. Ngunit hindi rin naman basta-basta ang pambato nating Pinoy, mga kaibigan, dahil ang trainer lang naman niya ay ang long time trainer din ng ating nag-iisang 8th Division World Champion Manny Pacman Pacquiao, na walang iba kundi si Buboy Fernandez. Hindi basta-basta ang alaga nitong si Buboy, mga kaibigan, dahil malakas at malaposte ng Meralco ang bigat ng kamao nito at may malamarmol na panga. Bagamat may 2 bahay na ng pagkatalo, ay hindi ito tumigil upang ituloy ang kanyang nasimulang pakikibaka sa larangan ng boxing. Kasabay ng pagaspas ng mga ibon sa Himpapawid, ika-14 ng Agosto taong 2021, naikasa ang laban ng Darren Cunningham kontra kay Joseph Emmanuel. Ang Amerikano ay may kartada noong 13 panalo. 7 ay tinapos sa pamamagitan ng knockout at walang pahid ng anumang talo. Samantalang ang Pinoy naman ay may 9 na panalo. 5 ay tinapos sa pamamagitan ng knockout, 1 tabla at 2 talo lamang. Ginanap ang kanilang laban sa baluarte ng Amerikano sa Cosmopolitan Lounge, Decatur, USA. Paglalabanan nila ang bakanting North American Boxing Federation Junior Super Bantamweight Division para sa isang 8 rounds bout. Sa kanilang weigh-in naman, halatang nanggigigil ng Pinoy. Parang gusto ng sapatusin at sampigahin ng mukha ng alaga ni Mayweather. Buti na lamang at nakapagpigil pa ito at inipon ng gigil sa kanilang magiging laban. Unang round, ang ligalig agad ng commentator sa laban. Ang sarap busalan ng basahan ng bunganga Parang puwit ng baboy na bukas tikamang ingay. Samantala, kahindik-hindik na makailang beses na pagbulagta agad ang nangyari sa Amerikano. Tinamaan ito ng solidong patama ng Pinoy at dinugo ang kilay na mahiyamoy ng pas ng galamay ng alimasag. Nakalimutan kasing ituro ni Mayweather ang running at hugging technique sa kanyang alaga, kaya hindi nakaiwas.
Was right.
It's right. Left hand by
Wiki right.
Right about now.
Right.
The action is being pushed right
big
now.
left hand. Oh, shit. My God.
Ambo going in for the TKO.
Was it a flash is going to be the question. Whether he's hurt, he doesn't appear to be. But it was a violent fall.
We got some trouble in
Saved by the ropes, but he's responding well.
Well, so much for me not cursing or hitting Mario.
Well, he definitely hit me, yes.
Oh my God, he's got a big cut.
Oh, yeah.
Right now.
Oh my God, the best thing that can happen is that the doctor stops it. Let's be real.
No. Darren is still full of the
bad
Well, let's see if that corner has a good cut, man.
Oh, and another right hand. And a right hand catches him. They're going to call it a knockdown. I didn't see his knee touch, but he did look hurt.
Oh, man, that was definitely a knockdown, guys.
Was it? He's on his way down.
Wow, he's suffering some adversity. He's got to relax.
Oh, he's got
my
caught
God,
again with
he got
a
to
big
relax.
Maintaining
trouble right
composure.
here.
Oh, good right hand.
Trying to throw back.
The blood is opened up. The cut.
Cut's starting to get in the way of his vision.
Oh! Another left hand sends him to the ground.
Damn.
He cannot keep taking these knockdowns.
This first round.
Or he's not going to get out if he keeps taking them.
This is a big first round for
Joseph Ambo definitely is winning the round right now with
the
these knockdowns
Scorpion
and a
is
cut.
striking at all Darren needs to box.
Joseph Ambo's now willing to take his time, knowing that the left hook is working for him, setting it up.
Ambo is shifting his
Good left
distance
hook
up and
by
down.
Darren.
Joseph is rushing in
Now
with his
Darren
head.
on that jab.
Darren keeps leaving himself open.
Darren
for
has to
left
keep
hand.
that right
He's got to
hand
pick
on
that
his
right
chin.
hand. He's got to pick that right hand up.
The cut has gotten vicious.
You know, this is amazing that the Georgia Commission hasn't stopped the fight
Hasn't
to
even
check the cut.
check it. To
But,
check it.
but it's made for an amazing fight.
It has a lot of
I
drama.
mean, we asked for
Ladies
blood and we got
gentlemen,
it.
this is huge.
Another left hook by Joseph.
crowd
Mr.
is so into
DC3,
this.
please pick your right hand up and keep it right above your temple because Joseph is throwing that
Another
left hook
left hand
with bad
landed.
intention.
Another left hand.
The Scorpion
Now a right.
is striking like
Round 2. Muling bumagsak ang Amerikano. Tinamaan ito ng solidong left hook na mahiyamoy ng pas ng electric pan. Ngunit sadyang makunat pa sa makunat ang Amerikano at muli na naman itong bumangon at maswerteng nakaraos upang tapusin ang round.
Oh, and he got under that one.
left hook.
He finally changed.
Oh, wow.
But he didn't do it there, and he got caught with the left.
Lord
I cannot believe the adversity that's being shown.
in this fight.
Oh, he came to win.
Darren needs big right hand by
DC.
Darren.
Catching on the right hand
But
goes to
Ambo
the
went
body.
over the left. This place is
this is
literally
pandemonium.
shaking.
Looks like Joseph Ambo
Literally
is
shaking.
slowing down.
Big left hook by Darren.
I think I've counted like 3-4 headbutts already
Wow.
in this fight.
Cunningham looks like he's got his head together and he's being a bitterman. He's trying his best. Oh, good left hook by
Beautiful left.
Check
This is
Joseph
showing
Ambrose
what
has
he's made of.
slowed
It's
down.
showing what he's
Joseph-
made of. Good
Joseph-
jab to the body. Question is, does he have enough to continue to do what he was doing? Because he had major success in that first round.
I'll
Yes.
tell you what.
Oh my God!
That would hurt him.
Not
That left hand
again!
hurt him in a way
Lord.
that he hadn't been hurt yet up until this point.
Yo, this man's heart is
that
so
left-
big,
that
man.
left hook-
He doesn't want to lose. He doesn't.
He
He's
rushes
trying
in
to
with his
finish it with
Oh, my
seconds
God.
left in the fight.
Hold him, Darren, hold him. Lord.
He's gonna escape.
The live chat are saying that Darren needs at least a knockdown.
Oh, I think he needs at least.
They
two
saying he at
of them,
least needs
maybe.
a knockdown.
jab here and
Oh,
there.
big right hand by Darren.
Yeah, I would think he needs.
He's changing the levels.
Oh,
Yeah, and let me tell you, he's still throwing that left hook really forward with a 1-2.
Darren needs to throw some rights.
Jab to the body, scores. Walks in with a right hand.
Open. Oh, big left hook, but he's blocked this time. Darren digging into the body.
Darren blocking hand up.
Oh,
1-2. Sabambo still walking forward, ladies and gentlemen. Darren works his way in.
oh, got
Left
caught with the
hook.
overhand. But they did Ambo.
Ambrose is the durable
good body
fighter.
shot. That right hand hurt.
Yeah,
Oh,
that hurt him, but he's probably got to go back there.
yo, lucky
Doesn't
that Darren is keeping that right hand up now, man.
Oh, that's
Wow, another
Oh.
body shot.
with the left hand, and he evades the jab. Where
Darren makes the sweet science look easy when he does that.
yeah,
Still attacking, but not throwing enough. Missing wildly at the end of this round.
Round 4, sigaw na sigaw ang commentator na mahiya mo na sunugan ng sinaing. Ang lakas ng bunganga, grabe. Mahiya mo na ka megapound. Kaya ang sarap lagyan ng electrical tape sa bunganga eh. Ayaw na lang manood kung manonood.
Oh,
and he caught him with the left.
no.
DC
Cunningham,
blocked it.
he's got his
Caught him
right
with the
hand up.
left.
Woo!
Wow, what?
Look at him.
Oh, a big left hand from Darren.
We made for this.
Once again, and that stumbled the Filipino.
Oh,
But a big
shit.
left hand catches DC, and DC has to hold on.
Oh my God! After he mounted such an off. Oh,
big right hand.
I just got hit with
And I got
mad
blood
sweat.
all over me.
Round 6, naging maingat na ang Amerikano. Aba, ikaw ba naman ay sampalin ng electric pan? Ay ewan ko na lang kung di ka pa mag-ingat. Samantala, tulo na ng tulo ang dugo ng Amerikano sa kanyang kilay. Delikado yan, bigyan ng napkin yan.
Oh, I think he needs to. Oh,
Yeah, I just got hit with another droplet of sweat, courtesy of Mr. Joe.
oh, big left hook, but he's blocked this time.
it's
Good
like more when
jab.
you get hit than
He's
at
gonna
this
have to
point.
build off that
I don't see
jab.
nothing broken, you know.
Oh,
I don't know if I got hit
Got the
again,
blood
but
flying
maybe
in
I
the
didn't.
sweat.
We need a right hand.
Darren works his way in.
Oh, got caught.
Round 7, nag-uumpisa ng maubos ang sustansya ng kamote mga kaibigan. Nauubusan na ng gasolina ang ating kababayan. Kaya piling suntok na lang ang ginagawa nito, di gaya nung una. Alam nyo mga kaibigan, ito dapat ang improve ng mga boksingero natin sa ngayon. Gaya ng stamina dati ni pambansang kamao ni Pacman Pacquiao. Kailangan natin ng matinding training.
It's just the bottom line.
Good.
See, that's the only way he attacks, is coming forward.
No, that pivot. Darren.
Good jab on him, but let me tell you the score. Oh my God!
Exchange, left hands.
But Lord,
a big way.
Lord, that looked like it was so much worse for Darren.
Yes, their sticks are, as we get sprayed in blood.
Yo, he's a dog. Darren's a dog. He's not gonna give up.
Wow, Joseph Ambrose licks the blood.
And it's got to be the body shot, Ness. It has to be.
Yo, round. Lord, it's the last
And-
round.
and-
Stoppage to get the win.
I think he might.
Oh,
Oh, hell of a.
Worst spots for.
oh, good
DC3.
check left hook by DC3. But the score, oh,
That
He
was a
slipped. That was a slip.
Definitely a slip, but I think it's all.
has to let his hands go if he wants to win this fight.
Right,
Oh,
Matapos nga ang laban ay itinanghal na panalo ang ating kababayan via unanimous decision at napatalo nito sa tuwa na mahiya mo tumama ng pongpyang dos sa weteng ng walang taya na talaga namang nakapag-jump shot pa. Mula sa bayan ng San Pablo, Zamboanga del Sur, kasabay ng pag-atungal ng asong ipinagpalit kuno sa asong masbete, ay siya namang pagsilang ng isang mandirigmang Pinoy na mananabas na tiniguri ang higanting bato. Ngunit ang ipagtataka niyo dito mga kaibigan, bunsod kasi ng kanyang ibinigay na palayaw, ay kung pagmamasdan at tititigan nyo kasing maigi, ang pangangatawan ng ating kababayan na ito ay tila kulang na kulang ito sa probiotics, testosterone, keratin at vitamin 69 dahil sa usli-usling ribs at buto-buto nito sa baga na pwede mo ng pagsuksukan ng panggatong at gawing pangkaroling na ukulele. Pero huwag kayong papakasiguro at papalin lang sa katawang lupa at pisikal na kanyuan ng ating bidang halimaw na ito mga kaibigan. Dahil sa likod ng patpating pangangatawan nito at usli-usling mga tadyang ay kalakip nito ang bigat ng kanyang mga kamao na kapag tumama sa iyo ay para ka na rin hinampas at nilapa ng higanting tiyanak maligno nyango kapre tiktek white lady at mangkukulam. Ngunit kung bago at kakapadpad mo lang sa channel na ito mga kaibigan, ay baka naman pwedeng makahiling sa iyo ng isang like, comment, at higit sa lahat ay subscribe. Pakisampingan mo na rin ang kampana dyan sa tabi para buhay na mano ka palagi sa mga bago kong upload. Madalas tayong bulihin ng mga tarantadong tampalasang bulbulitong mga dayuhan. Ngunit wala silang kaalam-alam na pinaglihi ang mga Pinoy sa bulkan na 100,000 bilyong trilyong taon ng walang sabog na kapag napuno ay bigla-bigla na lang sasabog ng dire-diretso at hindi mo na mapipigilan. Kaya naman ang kantiin at hamakin ng isang nananahimik na Pinoy ay ang isa sa pinakamalaking pagkakamaling tatatak sa dibdib at bayag mo. Kagaya na lamang ng isang barumbadong tampalasang kamoting boksingerong bagong ang paboritong ulam na bagong hango lang sa bansang Dominican Republic na walang iba kundi si Wilton Hilario na tirador ng Chupa Chups. Hindi naging maganda ang singaw ng puro singaw at kulaning bunganga ng maangas at bidabidang boksingero na ito mga kaibigan. Dahil di umano, ay kakalad ka rin daw nito ng pahalang ang katawang lupa ng ating pambato matapos daw niya itong patulugin sa kanilang magiging laban at ihihiga ng diretso sa kanyang bagahe at isusuksok sa maleta pauwi ng ating bansa nang sa gayon ay mabawasan daw ang sakit at hirap ng kanyang mga kasama. Like super saya naman sa galit ang ating bidang kababayan mga kaibigan. Nang kanya itong marinig na sa sobrang galit ay naibato na lang sa pader nang wala sa oras ang bagong biling di kuryenteng kalandiuling na mahiya mo kuya mong galing sa trabaho na nagprito ng tulingan at pagkalutoy inisnatch ng tagatondong pusa. Hindi daw siya papayag na bastos-bastusin lang ng isang siraulong boksingero ang isang dugong mandirigmang Pilipinong singtapang ni Andres Bonifacio mga kaibigan. Dahil undercard lang naman daw ng laban ng Timoteo Bradley at Pacquiao ang kanilang magiging laban At bukod pa rito ay kasabay daw niya ang ating pambansang kamo sa kanyang mga pag-ensayo, kaya hindi daw basta-bastang training ang kanyang pinagdaanan. Kaya naman ipapakita daw nito kung gaano kabrutal ang isang Pinoy na impacto ay boksingero kapag minamaliit. Sa kanilang weigh-in naman mga kaibigan, halatang nag-iinit na ang ating bidang pambato. Parang gusto lang saksakin ng chupa chups ang pisngi ng maangas na Dominican fighter at hambalusin ng gulpi de Colane. Buti na lamang ay pinaglayo na agad sila at binigyan ng tagi-isang lollipop. Sa mismong laban, unang round pa lang, gulat na gulat agad ang Dominican fighter dahil hindi niya akalaing ang patpating Pinoy ay may manatorong bad trip na isang taon nang walang sunggab ang lakas ng mga kamao nito.
Staggered Eladio with that left hand. Eladio is in a heap of trouble right here. Jay Nady right on top of him. Sanchez. Eladio fighting his type of fight, his type of rhythm. And now again he pins Eladio against the rope. That's where Sanchez had great success. Now Sanchez has Eladio against the rope. Eladio trying to counter his way out of there. Sanchez not letting him get away. And there you have under 20 seconds. Now in round number 4. Sanchez is going to really be tested here to see what kind of physical shape he is after this.
At buong laban niya po mga kaibigan ay dinumina lamang ng mandirigmang Pinoy ang maangas na Dominican fighter at nakuha nito ang panalo via unanimous decision.
All three in favor of the winner by way of unanimous decision from General Santos City, the Philippines, Ernie The Rock Sanchez.
At lahat nga po ng kayabangan nito na pinagsasabi bago ang kanilang laban mga kaibigan ay kanyang minukbang ng buong buo kasama butot balat at takip. Makalipas nga lang po ang 6 na buwan mga kaibigan, nadagdagan na naman ang listahan ng mga tampalasang pinuksa ng ating nag-iisang tiniguriang higanting Batong Halimaw. Ika-8 ng Disyembre taong 2012, muling ipinatawag ang ating bidang halimaw sa Amerika upang itapat sa Amerikanong barumbadong halimaw. Sa pagkakataong ito mga kaibigan, masusubok ang patpating tiniguriang higanting bato dahil sa tindi ng kanyang kanong mga kalaban. Kung atin kasing susuriin at titingnan ng katawang lupa ng halimaw na ito mga kaibigan, ay malakalabaw na may crossbreed ng hippopotamus ang datingan nito dahil sa bukol-bukol at talaga namang parang braso ng gorilla ang mga galamay nito. Kaya talaga namang medyo dihado ang ating bidang halimaw sa labanang ito. Tulad din ng naunang tampalasang niligpit ng ating bidang kababayan mga kaibigan, hindi rin naging maganda ang mga entrada nito sa ating kababayan dahil di umano ay buwisita lang daw ito sa kanyang balwarte at teritoryo daw niya ang kanilang paglalabanan. Matuto daw itong makisama sa mga Amerikano at huwag kumain ng mga tutong at balinghoy. Huwag din daw itong mag-alala sa kanilang magiging laban dahil hindi na daw niya ito papahirapan at tatapusin niya daw agad ang ating bida sa pinakawalang hiyang pamamaraan. Tinalakan naman ito ng ating bidang mandirigma mga kaibigan at sinabing hindi totoong ang kanyang kinakain kundi fried kamote. Kaya kahit payat na payat daw ang kanyang pangangatawan ay purong-purong kapangyarihan ang nananalaytay sa dugo at pangangatawan nito. Kaya ihanda daw nito ang kanyang sarili dahil sinisigurado daw niyang dadanak ng dugo at tae ay pawis sa kanilang magiging laban. Sa kanilang weigh-in naman, batong-bato ang kalaban ng ating kababayan mga kaibigan at malamunggong hinog din ang postura ng ulo nito. Kulang na lang ng 2 tornilyong may wasere Einstein na datingan. Samantalang ang ating bidang halimaw naman ay nangunguna pa ang baga kaysa sa edits. Mahiya mo model ng Porsche at Marlboro Unang round, parehas ka na nete ang dalawang fighter. Umuusok ang mga palitan halatang madidiin ang suntok ng Pinoy. Mahiya mo nang hahampas ng isang bote ng 1.5 na mantika ang labo Talaga namang naglalagutukan.
It's in the arena at that time. It's Sanchez with the red and blue, Coy Evans with the red and white. Look at the kid from the Philippines, doesn't he? He trains in the corner with him. Both guys getting jabs in by Evans that time with the right hand. On Friday, last night we had the fights at Texas State. Streaming, it's not too late to get to be an action-packed fight. shot that time, but the kid from the Philippines went with the right-hand lead and immediately countered by Coy Evans. Good job by Evans. Now hard punches to the body by Ernie Sanchez. Right.
Round 2. Nakatama ng solidong kanan ng Amerikano. Subalit, nagulat ito dahil wala itong epekto sa makunat ng nguya-nguyaan ng ating kababayan. Nang hindi niya alam, ay bagong welding ng kamote ang pisngi nito.
See, he drops it when he goes with his right hand. There's the right hand again. About effective aggressiveness and hard punching. Evans is having a good round here with almost 2 minutes. Right over Texas Station. He takes one away from the fighter. Good round from...
Round 3, kahindik-hindik na mga suntok ang pinakakawalan ng ating bidang halimaw. Mahiya mo minamaso ng construction worker na 3 araw ng walang ginbulagi kaya bagsak ang Amerikano.
Out of the jaw of Ernie Sanchez. Sanchez loads up his shot, but he exposed himself, comes to the left hook, and now he's going to work with his right hand. Well, this is a nice fight all of a sudden. Sanchez trying to get pummeled with the right hand, so he's throwing a lot of shots. The best defense against a guy that's doing that to you is doing just exactly what he's doing. This is an 8-round fight, though, and he's letting a lot go here in round number 3. And down goes Coy Evans. How about that? It's up to 4 and 5. He should be able to get up. His eyes are clear. It's at 7 and he got, but that's a big surprise of the way Evans fought in the last round that he's been knocked down. Sanchez will try to take him out right now because he let an awful lot of everything go in this 3rd round. Into the body, back upstairs with the left hook. Evans' eyes appear to be clear, but his legs don't seem to be strong right now. The Philippines in the multicolored trunks comes forward, blasts that body again, back upstairs with the left hook. Downstairs again, under the elbow, back up to the ear. Wow, look at that. Loads up the left-hand shot. And all of a sudden, this whole thing turned around. Coy can't land his right hand. Sanchez is really all over him. He's got enough time to take him out, but I'll tell you, Coy comes back with a couple of chopping right hands. If he gets back into this round, Sanchez has expended a lot of jabs. 31 seconds to go. Nice uppercut by Coy Evans. Evans to the left of your screen. Oh, nice left hand. That hook by Sanchez again, and another one. Here comes the bell to end the 3rd.
Round 4. Nagmamalamang kukulam na ang ating bida dahil nakokontrol na nito ang laban. Ginagawa na nitong manika si Coy Evans na mahiya mo pinagtututusok ng karayom na gawa sa kamote.
He drops, done enough to win it, so we'll see how the judges see it. Alright, here we go. This is round number 5. Back in the Philippines, the red with the blue trunks loads up that. It's so far. Back upstairs comes the fellow Jeff. Jeff, not the place you want to be. You want to get angles when you're going to do under the stiff 8-round.
Round 6. Matindi pa rin ang stamina ng ating kababayan, mga kaibigan. Mahiya mo si Bugs Bunny naka-robust walang pagbabago mga atake. Andidin pa rin.
There it is, but they'd like him to double. There's the double jab right hand, and that's what he needs to do. Left hook, digging body. Nice left. Nice body uppercuts, and that was a real solid body shot by Coy Evans. It's a right-hand lead, but when you miss an uppercut and you're in tight like that, that'll be a good one. Jab in his face from the 28-year-old Coy Evans. Looping right hand, catches him that time in a hard right hand. He pays the price for it. Evans is tough. He takes another right hand. Other than that, nobody's really been shaken in this fight. And there's been some...
Final round. Mukhang nauubusan na ng baterya ang Kano. Hinahat compress na ng corner niya Samantala, nagmamalapak na galawan na ang ating bida. Kaya talaga namang sigurado na ang panalo. 4 kantusa na to at red horse na to pagkatapos. Yes!
Because earlier is right again by Sanchez.
Ernie The Rock Sanchez.
So Ernie's